Hi, welcome back, guys. Today we are talking about how to save Audacity project in your PC or laptop. If you want to save your project in your PC or laptop, please keep watching the complete video. I will show you a simple and easy method through which you can easily save your Audacity project in your PC or laptop. So, first of all, open your Audacity software, go to File section, and then import audio. So I will select audio file from my computer. Now you can see that we have a audio file. After working on your project file, if you want to save this project file for further use or you want to use it after few days, then you have to save it as a project file. So let's get started and let's learn how you can save this project. So let's learn how you can save this Audacity project. Then go to File option and Save project. Then click on Save project. You can also do the same thing by from your keyboard by pressing Ctrl plus X command. Ctrl plus S command. By pressing Ctrl plus S, you will be able to save your Audacity project in your PC or laptop. If I press Ctrl plus S, then here you can see that I am able to save my Audacity project in my PC or laptop. Now I will rename this project like free recording and I will click on save button. So now you can see that our project is now saved. I will close my Audacity software and refresh it. Now you can see that we have a project file. When I double click on this project file, it will redirect me to the original file. Here we can see that our project file is as it is available on Audacity. So if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. I will see you guys in the next video. Please, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.